Hi, I'm here to talk about the digestive system of a rat. Before I begin, let me tell you some brief things about rats. Rats are long-tailed rodents that are known for living in sewers and scavenging for food down alleys. They are under the order of Rodentia. There are 64 different species of rats, some specifically adapted to their environment. The best known species is the brown rat. Some rats have been domesticated for pets, and others are tested in laboratories. Here are some interesting facts. Some rat species can grow to enormous sizes, like the Gambian pouch rat, who can reach around 8 pounds. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, the longest-lived domestic rat died at 7 years and 4 months of age, which far exceeds the 2 to 3 year expected lifespan. Now you're probably wondering as to what rats eat. Rats eat a wide variety of foods. They have greedy appetites and will eat almost anything. They are true omnivorous scavengers, but mostly prefer grain, livestock feed, and meat. Rats have also been known to eat soap, leather, furs, candy, milk, meat, vegetables, fruit, snails, and other rodents. A rat can eat a third of its body weight each day. The rat's main important consumption is water, as it cannot survive long without it. Rats need half to 1 ounce of water daily. Now, the rat's digestive system is very similar to that of a human's, with a few exceptions. The first organ that you would see if dissecting it would be the liver. This is possibly the largest organ. The liver of a rat has multiple lobes with little blue dots from the blood in it. This is very similar to that of a human, as it does the same jobs. The liver stores glucose and vitamins and metabolizes carbs, proteins, and fats. It also detoxifies chemicals. Below the liver lobes is the stomach. This is usually on the right-hand side. In this photo is the stomach, which, as in other animals, serves as a storage site for ingested food. It also produces hydrochloric acid to destroy bacteria and other harmful things. It also breaks down poisons in its blood. It is the small thing being poked by the man doing the dissection. In this picture is the pancreas, which covers the stomach. It looks like a small and wrinkled piece of cheese. Its role is to secrete digestive enzymes into the stomach. Connected to the pancreas and very near to the stomach is the spleen. It is the same color as the liver and is shaped like a banana. This is the elongated, flattened organ which is attached to the great curvature of the stomach. The spleen and the liver remove old red blood cells from circulation and break them down. The products of the breakdown are secreted into the stomach by the spleen and into the duodenum by the liver. The major part of the digestive system consists of the small and large intestines. The small intestine looks like a long piece of spaghetti, and the large intestine is hidden under the small one. The small intestine is very flexible and has many blood vessels going through it. The blood vessels both nourish the intestine and absorbs nutrients from the food that is being digested. Because a rat's digestive tract is so similar to that of a human, it is fair to say that they function in similar ways. Rats and humans are both omnivores, meaning they eat meat and vegetation. Rats, however, need to chew more rough food, like tree bark, and, in domestic rats, chew toys. This is because their front incisor teeth would, if left to grow freely with nothing to wear it down, would grow through the rodent's jaw. This, of course, would never happen with humans. Human teeth stop growing after they reach a certain point. Another major difference between the rat and human digestive system is the fact that while we as humans have gallbladders, rats do not. Instead of gallbladders, rats have a bile duct, which is formed from several tubes from the liver. Also, because rats do not have gallbladders, they are more apt to graze constantly throughout the day, which is why you are not supposed to just continuously feed them through the day. Because they do not have a gene to trigger a feeling of fullness, rats would literally eat themselves to death. Finally, when the food enters the caecum, the nutrients is then absorbed. Many animals, including man, have a short vermiform appendix at the end of the caecum. This is absent in the rat. Goodbye and thanks for listening.